Alright, I returned. Let me put some sound real quick. Yeah, that works. Thanks. This is how you are going to get a bunch of bolts in Ratchet & Clank Size Matters. Just come here and please don't freaking get hit. I really don't wish to repeat all what I went through, and this might not be enough actually. I really should have played the whole level again. Talking about Poketaro, by the way. Since I had the ×1 multiplier, I need the ×12. Now I just have to make sure I get the ×12 multiplier. If I don't, I'm gonna have to repeat it. But nonetheless, I will be showing you what I usually do, or what I've done for the past 2 months. Oh wait, ×12 already, nice. Oh, not again. Oh well, I'm done. So, come here to this area. If you come the first time, then it's gonna have a teleporter. Come here, double jump, smash in the middle, and get your bolts. Then what you gotta do is save. God damn it. Save, load, and do it all again. There's gonna be a teleporter here, so you don't have to do it all over again to do this whole segment. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. Save. I'm gonna save in 2 of my freaking files. The second one's the backup one for this season. And yeah, this is the main one. And now, load. And that's how you're gonna do it. So, yeah. Thanks so much for watching this Season 3, guys. And, next video should be me getting 1 billion, or the max, depending on what it is. So yeah, see you later.